Factory RC Raceway in York, Pennsylvania. We got the 12T mudboss A main coming up next.
Okay.
Guys are lining up right now. Drivers are on the stands, getting ready to go.
All right. We'll go one pace lap. We'll go green.
Here we go. As we come down for the start of the race. Number 9 is going to bring them down. And we're off. 12T mudboss A main underway. Number 9 in the lead. Second place is the orange number 12.
Low at 2, low at 2. High out of 2.
And we got a big wreck down the back stretch already. Number 9 looking underneath. Some lap traffic already early.
Your leader in the blue and white, number 9.
Running close along the bottom of that track.
Clear. Blue and white, number 9 is your leader. Blue and yellow, or blue and white, number 43 is second. Michael Bay is in third. Kurt, Brock, Michael, you're
blue and white, number 43 in second place. Oh, leader, second, third, everybody wrecking at one time. The leader gets away the earliest, though, and that's going to help him get a big lead. May not help. I mean, we got a lot to go yet here, a lot of wrecks. This little tight bull ring, you need a lot of luck along with some skill. Leader in that number 9, he's got the lead right now. Big pile up, he's caught up. Everybody's caught up. This may change the lead. We're going to find out. Woo! That was a lot right there. See who's got the lead right now.
Kurt, Michael, Brock, Brian, Jeff, Lance, Chad, and Steve. 60 laps to go. There is still plenty of time, guys. Low and 4, low and 4, low and 4.
Okay, I'm not sure who's leading the way right now.
Low and 2. Your leader, Kurt Kaminsky, in the white and blue, number 9.
There you go, white and blue number 9. That's still the leader.
Brock Hefner in the white and blue 43 is in second, low and 2. Clear.
Number 9 does have the lead. We're back on track again. Don't have the computer in front of me, but we got the word. White and blue number 9, he's still hanging on that lead.
Kurt Kaminsky has a lap on the field. Kurt has a lap on the field in the white and blue, number 9.
And number 9, even though he's been in a wreck, he does have a lap on the whole field. Brock's got his lap back. Number 9 going upside down. Doesn't take long to make up a lap here. Number 9's got the lead. Brock's a lap, just almost a lap behind.
Back into fourth in the red, number 92.
Number 9 working the bottom. Maybe mid-track at times. Definitely getting in some wrecks. Kurt, Brock, Michael, that's 1, 2, and 3. Big pile up. 9's going to go right around him. That will definitely help out. Another pile up in front of the leader. Leader's getting some good lucky breaks right now, and that's what you need.
Lance now up into third.
Kurt, Brock, and Lance now in the third place. Lance Patdorf very fast here at the factory. So we're watching the number 9. He's getting around here the fastest right now.
Oh, your second place car is in the wall. Here comes Lance. Out of 4. Lance and Brock. Brock gets into a wreck. Lance is going to go by high on the front. High into 1, low on the back. Low into 1, low into 1, low into 1, low into 1, low into 1.
Somebody upside down there in 3 and 4.
Low and 4. Leader, white and blue, number 9, low and 2.
White and blue, number 9. Going through the corner right now, right in front of the driver's stand. That's your leader right now. Still leading the way. Somebody upside down in 3 and 4. Leader going through 1 and 2.
Low and 4, low and 4, low and 4, clear. Kurt, Lance, Brock, your top 3. Michael Fay, 4th. Jeff Kaminsky,
Kurt
5th.
in the lead, behind the white number 32. The white number 32 is going to let him go. Leader's got a clean track ahead of him for the time being. That could change. It's going to change right now. 32 upside down again.
Your top 3. Second, third, and 4th are on the same lap. That is Lance, Brock, and Michael Fay.
Number 9 so far had a rough start, but he's looking the best here later on in the race. Car handling great right up against the bottom of that berm there. This track does have some banking to it. Some guys running high on the banking seems to help. Right now all the cars are down low.
Your leader out of turn 4.
It looks jammed up right in front of your leader. 2, 3 wide. And they get into each other. The leader's going to get around him. He's going to run the high to get away from everybody. And now your leader, nope, he's tied up. He's back on again. Your leader gets away again. Right behind him in the green and black car is Ryan Heindel, your bump up spot from the B-Main.
Kurt, Brock, Lance.
Kurt, Brock, Lance, number 9 leading the way. That's
10
Kurt.
laps to go.
10 to go for your leader. Anything can happen still on that driver's stand. He's counting them down, and it's making them nervous.
7 laps to go. Low and 4, low and 4, low and 4.
We got a wreck in 4. They're tied together right in front of the leader. He's going to somehow, he's going to take his time and get through it. That's the smartest thing to do at this point. Ryan Heimdall now into the inside wall. Number 9 still getting around this track very fast. Got a couple lucky breaks here at the end. Ryan upside down. Number 9 going around them.
3 more cars ahead of your leader. 2 to go.
2 laps to go. Double flags out for number 9. White flag, number 9. He's coming around. We're waiting for the bell.
Kaminsky out of 4. Kurt Kaminsky with your feet.
There's the bell. Number 9 is going to pick up the win. Kurt, let's have a word with him.
Michael Fay, 4th.
What a race, what a race.
Ryan Heimdall, 6th. Steve Noonan, 7th. Chad Billen, 8th.
Kurt, Brock, and Lance, that's your top 3 in this 12T mudboss A-Main. All right, picking up first place in that 12T mudboss class here is Kurt Kaminsky. Kurt, what a race you had out there in that 12T class. Tell us about it a little bit.
I got TQ, so I had a clean track, and really I just, once I got in the lead, there's a lot of crashes, so I wasn't really driving too hard, just trying to avoid them and take care of my stuff. But I had a lot of power, so just avoid the wrecks. That's all you got to do.
Kurt Kaminsky, first place in that 12T mudboss class here at the Factory RC Raceway in York, Pennsylvania. Congratulations.
Thank you.